And medyo late na rin. So yung closing remarks ko is, don't forget people up there, your parents, no? So pwede ba natin palakpakan sila? Okay. So once again, congratulations on behalf of our founder and president, Maria Lourdes C. Fernando, our academic director, our school directors, our keynote speaker, Henrique Nedero, who else? The graduation committee, headed by Ma'am Sally, the registrars, the principals, the teachers. Where are you, the teachers? Hello! Hey, the non-teaching staff, palakpakan natin kahit yung mga teaching staff dito. Okay, so these are the people that made this event possible. Of course, kayo, syempre, yung star dito, no? So, I really forgot my script over there. But, you know, kasi, education, sabi nila, education is preparation for life. But, you know, just remember that, yes, education is preparation for life. But more than that, education is life. No, just remember that. Yun siguro may part ko sa inyo. Education is life. Some say that life is a learning process. Never-ending learning ang buhay. So with that, I congratulate all of you, your parents, your guardians, and as I end, sabihin ko sa inyo, paglabas natin dito, there are no losers inside this theater today. There are no losers. I don't see any losers here, even the parents. But you know what? Yung challenge nito is when you go out, no, stay as winners, because there's so many challenges outside. But as of this minute, I don't see any losers in this theater. Okay? So thank you and congratulations. God bless you.